Dear students, today we are here to the exercise 5.2. I hope that all of you watch the lead video and there they will clear all the concepts of finding the square of a number and in individual practice they will solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 5.2 and according to this they will given the homework solve practice questions 2.1 to 2.4 on SB10 take as a homework and question in the try this section on page number 77 of the DSRT book. Now we will solve one by one. Okay, page number 77. Try this. Find the squares of the following numbers containing a pi in a units place. First one 15. Okay, 15. Okay, first one 15 square. So 15 square equal to 225. What they will ask? Containing pi in units place. We want pi in units place. So according to this we will write 225 as this equal to, we want pi in units place. Okay, then this 2 can be written as 1 into 2. This is in 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. 2 is in a 100 place. So 2 can be written as a 1 into 2 hundreds. Hundreds. 1 into 2, 2. Hundreds is a 200 plus 25 keep as it is plus 25. So it becomes a 225. Okay. Similarly we can solve 95. Second one. 95 square. 95 square equal to 95 square equal to, we can be written as a pi square is 25. Pi square is a 25. So 9 can be written as a, sorry, it becomes a 90. So 90 can be written as a 9 into 10. Okay, 9 into 10. Hundreds. Hundreds. So this is a 9 into 10, 90. Okay, 90. 90 into 100. 90 into 100 plus 25. Plus 25. This equal to 90 into, sorry students, I please cooperate, I will write this upside. 9 into 10, 90 into 100 plus 25. This equal to 9 ones are 9, 3 zeros are there, keep as it is plus 25. So this equal to 9025. So 95 square equal to 9025. Okay. Dear students, in Tuesday's class, according to lead video, in Tuesday's class, now we are here with the exercise 5.3. I hope that all of you watch the lead video and there they will clear all the concepts of finding square root through repeated subtraction, and in individual practice they will solve try these of page number 80 and according to this they will given the homework in Tuesday's class. They will given the homework page number 79 of try this section, and also they will given the homework question number 1, 2, 3 of exercise 5.3. Now we will solve one by one. First one, what could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following numbers? First one, 9801. Okay. Exercise 5.3. First one. Okay. The ones digit of the square root, the ones, digits of the square roots of the following numbers, of the following numbers would be the following, would be the following. First one, 9801 is there. 9801. It is either 1 or 9, because of here the ones digit of the square root of the following numbers would be the following. Okay, 9801 is there, then its square root will be either 1 or 9. Similarly, we can solve second one is 99,856. 99,856. Okay, this is either 4 or 6. This is either 4 or 6. Similarly, you can solve third and fourth one. Second one, without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect squares. First one, 153. Okay, second one, we know that numbers ending in numbers ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 are not perfect squares, are not perfect squares. Hence we can say that the following, we can say that the following. Okay, see here, we know that the numbers ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8, number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 are not perfect squares. Hence we can say that the following, 153 ending number is 3 have, so it is not a perfect square. We know that numbers ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 are not perfect square. First one, 153 is there. 153 is ending in 3. So 153 is not a perfect square. And 7 is there. It is also not a perfect square. Similarly, you can solve these two. Third one, find the square roots of the 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Okay, third one. First question, 100. We can use repeated subtraction method. 100 minus 1, 99. 99 minus 3, 96. 96 minus 5, 91. 91 minus 7, 84. Okay, here we will take odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7. We can take odd numbers. Okay, 84 minus 9, 75. 75 minus 11, 64. 64 minus 13, 51. 51 minus 15, 36. 36 minus 17, 19. Okay, 19 minus 19 equal to 0. We reached 0 in 10 steps. 10 steps. Hence square root of 100 equal to 10. Similarly, you can solve 169 by the method of repeated subtraction.